Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video of our channel. Today we are going to give you the secret tricks of to get unlimited credits on HeyGen, and at the end of this video we are also giving you a bonus website by which we can create unlimited AI avatar videos totally for free. So make sure to stick to the end of this video and you will get the bonus. So without any further ado, let's jump on our video.
In this step, we are going to create Hyperbeam account. Just follow me.
So guys, in this step we have to create a HeyGen account with our email. So for that we will just search over here HeyGen. Go to heygen.com and click over here and click over here on get started for free. If you have an account, just log in to your account. I have an account, so I didn't have to create an account. After coming to this page or an account, you have to just click over here on free gift. Click over here and you will get an option that is called copy invitation. So we will copy the invitation code and we'll just paste it on a notepad. So our third step is completed. Now we will get unlimited HeyGen credits totally for free, and all the links we are gonna use you will get on our website on this post. The post link is in the description box, so make sure to check out. So guys, in this step we are going to create unlimited HeyGen credits account. So for that, remember we have created a Hyperbeam account. So just come over here on this page and create a room and you will get a virtual browser totally for free. So after coming to this page, we will just search over here a website that's link is on my website, so make sure to check out this post. Okay, all the links are here. So I will just type the link over here and hit enter, and after coming to this page we'll just click over here and we will copy this email address. Okay, and this is totally for free. I told you I will give you everything totally for free. So after that we will just copy the link, the invitation link that we have created. Just hit copy and open a new tab and paste it over here. Give allow and just search. Reject all cookies and just copy this email address, paste it over here on sign up with email section and get a code. Hit send code and fill this captcha. Okay, after filling the captcha, hit verify and a verification code has been sent to email. Just click on refresh and here is the code. It's so easy to create a HeyGen account. Paste the code over here and hit on next step. So as you can see, this mail got spammed, so we are not going to use this website. And now we are going to use a new website, which link is also on our website. You will get that. So come to this website and hit on random, and this will create you a business template. Hit copy, paste it over here, and again send code. Again just fill the captcha, it will take a while. Hit verify, wait to get that code. Come to this page, just hit on refresh for multiple times and wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see, we got that code. We'll just copy from here, paste over here, and hit next step. As you can see, we are on the page to create a new password, so I'm just going to create a password. After creating a password, just hit on done, and in couple of seconds you will get a free HeyGen account. Okay, now the trick come over here. Just fill this, it will take a while. So as you can see, we got here 1 credit, and in our Gmail account we get 1 credit, so it's totally 2 credits. So through our invitation link, we have created an account, we got 1 credit, and we got in our account 1 credit, so we got total 2 credits. So the trick is you have to create multiple accounts through this website, which link is in the description box, and you can create unlimited HeyGen accounts, and you can also log in your device through these IDs. So make sure to subscribe our channel, and the secret bonus tips website link is on our website over here. Website to click over here and you will get the website, which is totally free to use, and you will get unlimited AI avatars and video creating. No need any credits. So thanks for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed. If you get any queries, make sure to put that on comment box and I will try to answer you personally. Thanks for watching.